Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and
YouTube, if you missed it last week, go over and check out this here dirty rice recipe that I did for you guys. Today we're doing some Southern style Cajun corn fries. And I'm telling you right now, it's going to be delicious, y'all. Y'all need to try this recipe. It's easy. This is what we've got going on. A lot of us don't know how to shuck corn. That's some silk. I'm going to show y'all the easy way to remove silk from the corn. Let me show you right now. First thing I want you to do is pop an ear corn inside that there microwave, and then set your microwave timer to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove that silk, 100% of that silk from that corn. Now, since we took it out the microwave, the thing I want you guys to do, cut the end of it where you have that little horn point, the horn tip. Cut that end off, just enough. Then I want you to grab yourself a hot towel. Not a hot towel, I'm sorry, y'all. Grab a towel for this hot corn, because this corn is hot, just came out the microwave. Then I want you to just slide the end, just slide it. Like I'm doing right here in the video, just slide it. You'll get 100% of that silk off, and then you just cut your tips off. Now, how we make these here corn fries? Simple and easy, y'all. I seen this on YouTube, and I said I had to give it a try. But this is my own recipe for these here corn fries. Good God Almighty, I'm finna tell y'all right now. So I sized up this here pick, and what I did is I sized it up on the corn, and now for the length of that toothpick, I went and I cut each corn just like that, as you can see right here in the video. Y'all bear with a brother. Then I ended up halving that core. All right. So to make our fries, we're gonna take toothpicks and insert them in each little row of those niblets right there. The same way I'm doing it is the same way I want you guys to do it. Easy recipe, easy recipe. Now on that YouTube video, this is how they did it. They inserted the corn, the toothpicks inside the corn, and it was an easy way for them just to pull off that whole row, and they would come off all together. The same way I'm doing it now, you would push it away from you, and that row would just basically separate from the cob. But I found it, kind of hard. So I just said, forget about it. I'm gonna pull my knife out. But this does work. When you push it away from you, the row will come apart easy. But I found out, man, I just get a knife and cut it all the way down, but not to the core, but just enough to where I can come out with those beautiful corn fries. Let's go ahead and season up these here corn fries, all right? What we got is some chili powder, some spicy seasoning, some garlic and onion season blend. I got that from Ross. Some black pepper, some salt, some olive oil, and some cornstarch. So we want to go ahead and take our olive oil and sprinkle on here, and then take all your seasonings and just toss your seasonings on. The last thing you want to do is just go ahead and toss on some of that there cornstarch and get everything mixed up well and combined. And I'm going to cook these in my air fryer. So I'm gonna have the air fryer set for 10 minutes, and I'm cooking them at 360 degrees. All right. So go ahead and watch the rest of this video.
Bye.